Hey everyone, Matt here. Spring is sprung, so you know what that means? Great British spring weather. And Staff's Guide in How to Spring to Success. Here's my 5 tips on how you can do just that. Step 1. You gotta build the foundations. Make sure you've got a nice, tidy and clean working environment. You need to make sure you have all the equipment necessary so you can just get to work when you need to. A top tip I always have is make sure what you need to work is in reaching distance, and make sure all your distractions are in walking distance. That way, you have to put in conscious effort to distract yourself and you're less likely to do it. Well, as well as this, you have to research, which brings us into step 2. Aspirations. You need to figure out what you want and how you're going to get it, where you want to go, and how you're going to get there. Top experts say that it's unhealthy to have just one massive, long goal. That's so far in the future you can never really hope of visualizing it properly. You need to have reasonable, realistic, incremental small goals. That way you don't deny yourself the feeling of success. You'll be more positive and you'll be more productive. So as well as having your massive I want to be here in 10 years goal, have little small ones. What do you want to get done this week? What do you want to get done this month, this term? What projects can you feasibly do within a small time frame? And to do these projects, we spring into step 3. Organisation. I highly recommend getting a physical and digital calendar. I found that physically writing, as well as typing, your plans and schedule really helps reincorporate in your brain, makes it easy to remember and understand. This works for notes as well, so it's much easier to visualise concepts and make sure you don't miss any important dates, which includes step 4, relaxation. You need to unwind and have a big stress detox. You can't work 24/7 all the time and you need to factor in time just to chill out and recharge your batteries. For me, exercise, socialising, playing games, touching base at home, it all helps. You have to take care of yourself. Catch some Z's or get a massage. A great break I found that also makes your health feel productive. Stimulate part of your mind that you haven't been while working. Have you been locked into looking at a screen all day? Go outside, play a sport, or just get some fresh air. Have you been working in a field all day? Curl up with a good book inside, wrap up warm, put some music on. Opposites attract, especially when it comes to cooling down this hot spring weather. And now, once you've successfully recharged your batteries, we're going to step 5. Momentum and direction. Imagine life like a flowing river. You can't properly direct it. You can only push it in certain ways, and it often doesn't land exactly where you think it will. But this is good. This is healthy. It's natural. As you get better at what you do, as you progress through life, or you climb up the ladder, your desires might alter, your motivations might deepen. You need to just take a breather, reassess, look around and map out. You haven't come this far only to come this far. So, just make sure you're on the right path, and if not, pick a new one. And most importantly, keep moving forward. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. And the further you go, the harder you work, the easier you'll find it. You'll realise you're running further, faster and better than you ever did before. And that's when you realise you've got the spring in your step to success. Hope this helped, guys. Stay safe and have fun. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you next time.